Hi, I'm Ashton Snellgrove. I'm a research scientist at the Laboratory for Nano-Integrated Systems at the University of Utah. In this video, I'll be demonstrating LSOracle, a free and open source logic synthesis tool for optimizing circuit designs automatically. LSOracle is part of the DARPA IDEA program, which aims to create a full RTL to GDS flow based entirely on open source tools. LSOracle can be used as a standalone tool or as a plugin to Yosys as part of the Open Road Flow EDA toolchain. LSOracle first partitions its design using K-way hypergraph partitioning. Each partition is then classified to determine the appropriate data structure and optimizer for each module. LSOracle currently supports optimizing with AND inverter graphs, majority inverter graphs, and XOR AND graphs. LSOracle applies the selected optimizations to each partition. The partitions are then merged back together into a cohesive network. In this demonstration, I will be using LSOracle from inside Yosys to optimize an IBEX RISC-V core. Commands can be issued interactively or run from a script. First, I will read the Verilog file with my design into Yosys. Next, I will run some general Yosys commands. I will check, expand, and clean up the design hierarchy, translate processes to netlists, flatten the design, extract finite state machines, and do a generic technology mapping. Now it's time to run LSOracle. After LSOracle has finished optimizations, I'll remove unused cells and wires. I'll apply technology mapping targeting the SkyWater 130 HD node. This demonstration has shown LSOracle being used as a plugin for Yosys. When tested, integrated in the Open Road Flow, for the IBEX RISC-V core shown, a 9% improvement in delay was achieved compared to the default ABC optimizations. LSOracle is available in both source code and binary distributions on our website.